Welcome everyone in training session 2. We have successfully completed training session 1. In training session 2, we will learn all details of Venturi tube. In this training session, we have experience of following: details of Venturi meters, technical specification that is very important for the selection of Venturi meter, stage length requirement in upstream and downstream of Venturi tube, technical data sheet of Venturi tube. Venturi meter. This is the member of gradual flow unit family, where gradual flow unit family means when we are installing the RP, then pressure is suddenly dropping, but in Venturi flow meter pressure will be gradually up. So this is the member of gradual flow element family, where pressure drop due to the flow restriction has been reduced. So pressure drop where we are getting P3 loss na, so that is reduced here. This is the Venturi tube. This is the flow direction. This is a high pressure tapping. This is the inlet cone. This is the throat section, and this is the outlet cone. This is the flow direction here. So this is the Venturi tube. This is the throat direction, and this is the low pressure tap point where we take the low pressure tapping. As shown in above figure, converging section of pipe. This number is figure 11.6. If I have purchased my book, so this is represent 11.6 figure number. So if you have purchased the book, that you can refer these things by book also at chapter number 11. So as shown in above figure 11.6, converging section of pipe to give an increase in the flow velocity that result in pressure drop. So here velocity will increase, so generally because here velocity will increase because size is very low here dia is very low, so velocity will increase. Then when velocity will increase, then what will happen? Pressure will drop. PV is the, we have not PV, you know the PV formula. So when pressure will increase, then velocity will drop. So with this delta P, we will able to measure the flow. Technical specification. From here, detail engineering is started. Technical specification for Venturi tube. Here we have installed one Venturi tube here, like that we install here. Beta ratio. Standard and codes. What are the standard? Every equipment we manufacturing, we install in the plant and oil gas plant, chemical plant, that should construct or design a specific standard. Below that standard we can't use. So every manufacturer make equipment as per the standard. What is the thickness of that Venturi tube? Pressure loss across the limb. What will the pressure loss? Pressure loss we have seen in RPs also. Throat diameter. What will be the throat diameter? Differential pressure at full scale. What will be the differential pressure? Body and throat material. Body material. What will the throat material? What will the throat material? Straight length requirement in upstream and downstream. Tapping location and their sizes and their use. Tapping quantity. How much tapping we needed? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Process connections. End connection like plan will be or well type. That this everything is the technical specification that we should know before going to design or purchase any Venturi tube. What is the beta ratio? It is same as RP's place. Here is the beta ratio is throat dia to upstream dia. So suppose this is there. So this is the throat. So this is the dia D, and here dia D. So what will be the beta ratio will be D upon D. Everywhere same, beta ratio is everywhere same in the flow element. So but flow nozzle also beta ratio will be same. So our surface plate also definition is the same. beta ratio. Standard and codes, what are the, for generally we prefer, maximum time in India we prefer 516 ISO 51674, but there are many another standard also. So ISO 516, ISO 9300, we should know these are the standard. So generally many times asked in the interview that how many standards you know. So we should have the back of the mind this information. BS 1042, ASME, MFC, ATM, ASTM, AGA9. What is will be the wall thickness? This wall thickness will be provided by vendor recommendation, VTA, vendor to vendor will give this recommendation. We generally give the fluid parameter. So according to fluid parameter, vendor decide the what will be the thickness. So according to that, we will go for the further. What will the pressure loss? The most differential pressure are recovered here. In workpiece we are getting the huge pressure loss, but here we recover because of their construction. We have already seen, I have shown you at the starting of this training only. So how is the pressure is gradually dropping, gradually increasing. So pressure loss is less here. The overall pressure loss is generally between 5 to 20% of the measured differential pressure. That is outlet stress and divergent is there. The venturi causes the less overall pressure loss in the system and thus save the energies. This, if there is a reduction in pressure loss, then ultimately it is saving the energy. Overall pressure loss generally 5 to 20% that we have seen. What will be the throat diameter? Throat diameter also given by the vendor